So I got this case of Micro Center for around $109. The white was a little more expensive. It also comes in red and black, but I like the white, so that's what I got for the couple extra bucks. Whatever, it's sweet. All right, so let's open it up. I saw online that there wasn't really much about this case on YouTube. I was actually looking at other cases, and this one didn't really show up on Newegg. Maybe they just don't, supply MAINGEAR. But it was really good to go into Micro Center and actually get to look at different cases, because I was looking at some NZXT cases, and I heard a lot about their airflow not being as great. And actually seeing them in person, you could really see how it could be a problem. So this case is going to be much better than those, and we'll kind of get into that more as we unbox it. Oh, it's a big case. So here it is. It comes with these nice foam protective pieces, which are always nice. Man, this is a good looking case. What jumped out at me the most when I was looking at the cases side by side at Micro Center was that the holes for ventilation for the front here are much bigger on this case than they were on the NZXT cases that I was looking at. And I think it's really important to have that airflow, and also the top here having this mesh, I think was another selling point for me, and having the space for these two 120 millimeter fans or two 140 millimeter fans, I think really sold me too, because on those NZXT cases, they look really cool, but the top only has room for one fan. So there's gonna be airflow here, here, and then in the back, obviously. So we could look at the back here. We can drop it off the table. On the back, we have the vertical PCIe slots and then the regular ones here. So that's pretty nice. Here's the spot, the fan that comes with it. So let's actually take this side panel off and look and see what this comes with. Let's do the classic peel here. All right, so that's gonna get ruined. Oh, it looks like the video's over. I can't get the side panel off, so let's lay the case on its side. Oh. Okay, so the side panel is off. I think there was a little bit of plastic jammed in there, making it difficult to get off. So let's be extremely careful with this. Inside the case, we have the little manual here showing all the different. So let's see what it comes with. So we've got the two 120 millimeter fans in the front, which is nice that it comes with. It's also got another 120 millimeter fan here in the back. Let's see if we can get a look at that. So there is that. Very useful. It's a pretty slick looking case. We got power here. I think this controls the LEDs. And then we've got some USB and some it's nice. It has headphone and microphone. It's two separate jacks, which is nice. Not that I even use it, but it's just nice to have. Let's just take the other side panel off. That was a lot easier to get off. You can see here it has this fan controller, which is nice. Some nice cable management stuff going on here. Here's the drive bays, and then here it comes with little screws and everything, I would assume. You get some zip ties and screws. And a little, oh, here's the LED controller. So that's the unboxing for the MAINGEAR Vybe. Pretty cool looking case. Obviously they do pre-builds, but we're gonna put our own system in here, but I just thought it was a really clean case with some decent cooling options, so I thought I would share that with everybody. If you have any questions or want to see more with this case, please let me know. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe.